Ophis Jong District Mental and Health Program, Southwest Khasi Hills District, Mintaka Singkum Shibanta Jong Kajing Rakhe, Iaka World Mental Health Day Arhaja Apsa, Kalayo and Pynlong Daka Zumba Session, Naka Benta Kikentay, but Yaka Neka Zumba Session, La Pynlong Hapo, a multi-purpose hall, DC office, Lat Lau Sang, Southwest Khasi Hills District. Akanika sngi le don lang nadu kakong dapale wajri kabade ka zumba instructor kabalawan ban pen but I jing hikai kumno ban ne ban lat na ka jingkhuslai ha ka jingmo jingpakhan lamba ke jingshan ki weide ki balaya don lang ki long kakong WL Marwen psychiatrist social worker district mental and health program Southwest Khasi Hills District Pat Kakong N. Marbanyang Monitoring and Evaluation Officer, District Mental and Health Program, Southwest Khasi Hills District, Haringkat Kiwede.
Benefits physically as well as mentally. So, Shillong, you learn so many of my clients also who are suffering from depression or anxieties. But one happy classes are not. No, the Zumba is the other benefits of Zumba like a stress reliever and de-stressing. Okay, yeah. Maybe one the Zumba, one benefit of Zumba like stress reliever. Pizza smoto, pizza experience, punto kapit de-stress kapit release like stress from So how can the session kapag in dalam ka? Kapag hindi ka dia tak pinsubo na. Dalam ka mo na mapinaman mo take hindi ka. Kapag hindi kabiyakan tamba, we have one rule in Zumba, and that rule is to have fun. So I want each and every one of you to have fun while they run, even kamani. Dali mo actually the pilates and other nile. So laugh, smile, sing, dance, and just dance your heart out. Okay? About our district mental health. District mental health, we have launched the government of India and the government of Meghalaya National Mental Health Program has launched district mental health around 1,600 district mental health all across India, and one of the district mental health is here in Mawphor, DM&HP. It was launched on 10 October